Do you want to promote your business products and services on Hooray Bollywood? Contact AME Telefilms at 647-669-1000 or 1-855-711-8889. You can also write to us at business@ametelefilms.com.
आखिर तुम आ ही गए। कितने सालों से मुझे था इस दिन का इंतजार, जब मैं लूंगी चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस वाली लूंगी नहीं, जब मैं लूंगी खून की हर एक बूंद का बदला। मैं अमीता हूँ और आज इस सन्नाटे से पर्दा उठाकर तुम्हारे होश उड़ाकर ले जाऊंगी तुम्हें इस दुनिया से दूर, जहां सिर्फ रहते हैं। हैलोवीन का जादू तो छा चुका है हुर्रे बॉलीवुड पर, मगर एक खामोश नजर बॉलीवुड के चमकते सितारों पर। It's another exciting week in filmland. Diwali is upon us and Bollywood is buzzing with launches. Saris, jewelry, books, and yes, of course, new movies. हमारे स्टार्स भी इन इवेंट्स और प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस के चक्कर काट के थोड़ा तो पक जाते होंगे, but they always have to have their smiley face forward. But sometimes the questions they are asked are amazing. Take a look at Kareena and Imran's reaction when they were asked who they thought had the sexiest butt in Bollywood.
Yeah, we're going to say each other, obviously. We're not going to take any other.
I feel that mine is.
But you just said mine is.
Amongst the girls, definitely. But amongst the guys, I think I take it. What do you think?
Well, I don't know. It's a big toss-up between Saif and Imran. So.
I'm telling you, we have to have a competition. That is the only way to decide.
Well, I have the best of both. So.
Well, if a song in the new film Gori Tere Pyar Mein can be devoted to the but, yani, too, they have to be prepared to answer these questions. और यहाँ से let's go to another film launch. शादी के side effects. Farhan Akhtar और Vidya Balan है एक married couple who are facing a few bumps in their happily ever after life together. But of course, at the event, film की बात छोड़ो, they had to answer all sorts of highly personal questions about their own real life शादीज. Like, क्या आप शादी करके पछता रहे हैं?
नहीं, मैं बिल्कुल नहीं पछता रहा हूँ, मैं बहुत खुश हूँ, to be honest, touch wood. I'm very happy. तो जब then things are not problematic and not broken, you should not try and fix anything. तो everything is good. Thank you very much.
मैं भी पछता नहीं रही हूँ.
ये थे सही जवाब, जो दोनों के घरों में पीस और हार्मनी मेंटेन करेंगे. But the trophy for सही जवाब really goes to my favorite. अरे, I'm talking about Sunny Paji, who is busy promoting his film Sahib Singh the Great. I tell you, after this firing, माँ कसम किसी प्रेस वाले को हिम्मत नहीं होगी उनसे कुछ उल्टा सीधा पूछने की.
उतार कर फेंक दो ये वर्दी और पहन लो बलवंत राय का पट्टा अपने गले में. बस इन्हीं के हाथों को पहना सकती है आपकी हथकड़ियां, बलवंत राय के नहीं. अरे भाग कर कहां जा रहे हो? I will drag you to the court. You bastard, you gonna pay for this.
कुछ भी बदल जाए पर सन्नी पाजी का स्टाइल कभी नहीं बदलेगा. On this dynamic note, let's move on to the new releases and the top songs of the week. It's Diwali and the big release of the week is Krish 3. Excitement has really built up around this movie and the entire cast, Hrithik, Priyanka, Vivek Oberoi, Kangana Ranaut, as well as director Rakesh Roshan have been out and about promoting this mega-budget superhero saga. Let's see if this lavish and high-tech tale catches the fancy of the audience. I'm sure looking forward to it. And movies to look forward to are Ram Leela. The buzz around this Ranveer Singh Deepika Padukone love saga keeps growing, with lots of masala added by the rumors of their real-life romance.
तेरे तो बिल्कुल ही बाल नहीं है।
कहाँ गए?
गोरी तेरे प्यार में. This is the latest rom-com from Karan Johar's Dharma Productions और इसमें करीना कपूर कर रही है रोमांस इमरान खान से in a typical Indian गांव की setting. With प्यार, टकरार and foot tapping नाच गाना, it looks like a total time pass fun film. One to watch out for.
हम सेक्स वर्कर्स और उनकी लाइफ पर एक डॉक्यूमेंटरी बना रहे हैं।
अरे चिकने, चलता क्या?
वो टाइप की पिक्चर तो नहीं बना रहे हो ना?
अब एक नजर on the top 3 songs. Number 3 पर है 2 from the movie गोरी तेरे प्यार में.
गोरे गोरे नोटी नोटी राउंड राउंड तुम पंजाबी आंदे तुम शराबी आंदे तुम ओ गोरे गोरे निक्के निक्के तेरे मेरे तुम रिपीट में बजदी ढोल की everybody does it and you can do it.
Number 2 पर है राम चाहे लीला from the film राम लीला.
राम चाहे लीला चाहे राम, इन दोनों के लव में दुनिया का क्या काम. इनका तो फंडा है सिंपल सा यार, गोली मारो तो पंगा, आंख मारो तो प्यार.
Number 1 पर है रघुपति राघव from the movie Krish 3. After this week's roundup of film releases, let's take a short break. Remember to write to me at amita@hurraybollywood.com and keep following us on Facebook, Twitter or on our website. I have the winners from last week's contest and I also have a very special guest जो है Bollywood का सबसे बड़ा fan in Canada. I'll be right back.
Moments can change your life. They can make you nervous and bring out your passion. Moments can unite you. They make you laugh out loud or bring a tear to your eye. Moments are first imagined with every detail carefully planned and rehearsed in your mind. Moments can be perfect and moments can define who you are. They bring out the best of you and challenge you to be better. Moments are meant to be shared, cherished, and treasured. Raise your glass to turning a moment into an unforgettable memory. Apollo Convention Center. Book your event today. Call 905-670-8009 or visit apolloconventioncenter.com.
तेरे बिना जिंदगी से कोई शिकवा तो नहीं.
This year's festival and holiday season, a tribute to 100 years of Indian cinema by none other than Sudesh Bhosle. Singing all-time favorites. To book the show in your city, call Ajay Modi at 905-997-6000. Come, celebrate this Dussehra and Diwali with the live performance of Ram Leela, performed live by Indian Revival Group from New Delhi. To book the Ram Leela in your city, call Ajay Modi at 416-505-8590. Ram Leela, presented by Rubicon Exotic Juice Drinks, the host Fine Indian Cuisine, Cellular Point, and India Sajawat and Puja Hut.
When starting a kitchen or bath renovation project, the first step is to find someone you can trust. After all, it is your home we're talking about.
Find someone who you can trust to give you unbiased advice. Tango.
Someone you can trust to keep their commitments. Tango.
Someone you can trust to quote a firm price and then stick to it. Tango.
With trust, everything else becomes easy.
Trust Tango to get the job done. Visit our showroom or online at tangokitchens.com.
The Host, fine Indian cuisine, delivering exciting flavors, fresh ingredients and exceptional service is our passion with pride. We present the culinary pearls of Indian cuisine. The Host has earned a name with quality food and sincere service. The use of two important ingredients, patience and passion. The Host, fine Indian cuisine. You are welcome. Visit www.welcometohost.com. The Host, fine Indian cuisine.
Did you know? In a Shana Naan, there are no preservatives. In a Shana Naan, just fresh ingredients. In a Shana Naan, flame baked in a tandoor. Shana Naan, an authentic taste. In a Shana Naan, from the freezer. Shana Naan, Shana Naan, 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 Naan.
आपकी भक्ति से लेकर खुशियों के जश्न तक का साथी इंडिया सजावट पूजा हट। लक्ष्मी की आराधना, हर धर्म की मूर्तियाँ, पाठ पूजा सामग्री, इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स, सीडीज, धार्मिक पुस्तकें एंड पिक्चर्स खुशबू की तरह घर को सजाएं। इंडिया सजावट पूजा हट में आएं। 31 मेलनी ड्राइव, ब्रैम्पटन 9054586808।
Do you want to promote your business products and services on Hooray Bollywood? Contact AME Telefilms at 647-669-1000 or 1-855-711-8889. You can also write to us at business@ametelefilms.com.
अरे तू फिल्म बना रहा ना, तेरी कहानी क्या है, सुना जरा।
एक डरावना जंगल, अंधेरी रात, एक सुनसान सड़क, तूफान ही तूफान है, बिजली कड़कती है और बारिश की ये मोटी मोटी बूंदें। फिर सामने आती है एक अनजान औरत, सफेद साड़ी, खुले बाल, हाथ में एक मोमबत्ती जो बारिश और हवा के होते हुए भी जलती है, एक खूनी दरवाजा जो खुद ब खुद खुल जाता है। कुछ देर बड़े बड़े नाखून लेके आगे बढ़ती है, हंसते हुए। और फिर अरे मैं तो कहीं और चली गई थी। पर ये एक डरावनी यानी हॉरर फिल्म का क्लासिक सीन है, बॉलीवुड स्टाइल। महल 20 साल बाद जैसी फिल्मों में पुरानी हवेली, भटकती आत्मा से लेकर 70s और 80s की रामसे ब्रांड की हॉरर फिल्म्स विद देयर dilapidated mansions, jerking doors, spider webs and boothnies, to the more urban setting and new forms of haunted storytellings of Raz, Raat and Ragini MMS. Bollywood has always had a fascination for this genre. और अब आखिर हैलोवीन का सीजन है तो बॉलीवुड की हॉरर फिल्म्स पर फोकस करना तो बनता है। So let's go on a scare fest and look at some of the spookiest films from the last 100 years of Bollywood. 20 साल बाद, an evil Thakur rapes a young girl who commits suicide.
उसी दिन से चंदनगढ़ में एक खौफनाक प्रेतनी का जन्म हुआ।
कहते हैं कि लड़की की भटकती आत्मा ठाकुर उनके भाई और उनके बेटे को मार डालती है। 20 साल बाद ठाकुर के पोते विजय सिंह अपनी विरासत के खून से लिपटे इस राज को खोलने आते हैं और फिर शुरू होता है एक और भयंकर षड्यंत्र। वो कौन थी? एक अंधेरी तूफानी रात, गाड़ी में एक हैंडसम डॉक्टर, सड़क पर सफेद साड़ी पहने हसीना, जब ये दोनों मिलते हैं कुछ खुफिया हादसे होने लगते हैं।
मेरी बेटी मर चुकी है, ये मर चुकी है, तुम चले जाओ यहाँ से।
डॉक्टर उस अजनबी हसीना के प्यार में पागल होता चला जाता है, पर इस प्यार में छुपी है एक खतरनाक साजिश।
लग जा गले
2 गज जमीन के नीचे। This is the original Bollywood zombie movie with full देसी तड़का। एक फेमस साइंटिस्ट, उनकी बेवफा पत्नी और उसका सीक्रेट प्रेमी, दोनों बनाते हैं एक भयंकर प्लान और करते हैं साइंटिस्ट का मर्डर। But wait, the story is not over. The scientist rises from the dead as a zombie and comes to take revenge on his killers. Raat. The Sharma family moves into a new house with a reputation.
बिल्ली मर गई। नानी माँ, मेरी बिल्ली वापस आ गई।
और अब उनकी हंसती खेलती कॉलेज गोइंग बेटी मिनी के आसपास होने लगते हैं कुछ खतरनाक हादसे।
मिनी,
क्या हुआ तुम्हें?
As Minnie starts behaving strangely, the question comes up: is she a killer, or has some evil spirit possessed her?
ये क्या हो गया तुझे?
The family is terrified. The mystery runs deep.
आप भूत प्रेत में यकीन करते हैं?
Raz. Sanjana and Aditya go to Ooty for a second honeymoon to rekindle sparks in their troubled marriage. पर उनके सुंदर कॉटेज में एक ऐसी आत्मा है जो पति पत्नी के प्यार को सुलगने से रोकती है।
सिर्फ मैं और आप सुन सकते हैं, ये आवाज और कोई नहीं सुन सकता। मेम साहब,
किस किस्म की आवाजें? किसी के दर्द में चीखने की आवाजें।
कोई है हमारे घर में।
मेरे इतने करीब मत आओ, मैं तुम्हें बर्बाद कर दूंगी।
इस आत्मा का आदित्य के साथ कुछ पुराना रिश्ता है। Now Sanjana will have to take drastic steps to save her marriage and get her husband back.
संजना।
भूत। विशाल और स्वाति एक हाई राइज बिल्डिंग में अपार्टमेंट खरीदते हैं। नए घर में स्वाति starts behaving strangely.
एक बार मुझे ऐसा लगा कि एक औरत खड़ी यहाँ पर।
And she even murders the building's security guard. लगता है she has been possessed by an evil spirit. इन सब इंसिडेंट्स का अपार्टमेंट के साथ कुछ कनेक्शन है। रागिनी MMS।
ये टीना मेहता की आवाज है। ये आवाज 2 दिन पहले रिकॉर्ड की गई थी। टीना मेहता 3 साल पहले मर चुकी हैं।
जंगल में एक कॉटेज, a group of friends and an evil spirit. ये तो सारे इंग्रेडिएंट्स हैं एक हॉरर फिल्म के। Add in a bit of masala with the boy wanting to film his girlfriend in handcuffs and matters get sizzling. Does the खूनी आत्मा manage to destroy them, or do they escape unscathed? This is the nail-biting story of Ragini MMS. और जब तक मैं एक ब्राउन बिल्ली और पीले पैरेट को रेड टमाटर का मीठा मीठा जूस ना पिला दूं, मुझे चैन नहीं आएगा। बिल्ली रानी, प्यारे मीठू, where are you? आप कहाँ हो? अरे ये क्या? What? Hooray Bollywood? अमिता? मैं कहाँ हूँ? अरे आप डर गए थे क्या? I must admit, I get goosebumps watching all those Dharamana movies. But don't worry, the show must go on. So when we come back after the break, we will meet our special guest in our special segment, Bol Bachchan. And you can also find out who are our last week's contest winners and learn about this week's contest. So stay tuned. And don't you dare touch that remote.
Moments can change your life. They can make you nervous and bring out your passion. Moments can unite you. They make you laugh out loud or bring a tear to your eye. Moments are first imagined with every detail carefully planned and rehearsed in your mind. Moments can be perfect and moments can define who you are. They bring out the best of you and challenge you to be better. Moments are meant to be shared, cherished, and treasured. Raise your glass to turning a moment into an unforgettable memory. Apollo Convention Center. Book your event today. Call 905-670-8009 or visit apolloconventioncenter.com.
तेरे बिना जिंदगी से कोई शिकवा तो नहीं।
This year's festival and holiday season, a tribute to 100 years of Indian cinema by none other than Sudesh Bhosle, singing all-time favorites. To book the show in your city, call Ajay Modi at 905-997-6000. Come, celebrate this Dussehra and Diwali with the live performance of Ram Leela, performed live by Indian Revival Group from New Delhi. To book the Ram Leela in your city, call Ajay Modi at 416-505-8590. Ram Leela, presented by Rubicon Exotic Juice Drinks, the host Fine Indian Cuisine, Cellular Point, and India Sajawat and Puja Hut.
When starting a kitchen or bath renovation project, the first step is to find someone you can trust. After all, it is your home we're talking about.
Find someone who you can trust to give you unbiased advice. Tango.
Someone you can trust to keep their commitments. Tango.
Someone you can trust to quote a firm price and then stick to it. Tango.
With trust, everything else becomes easy.
Trust Tango to get the job done. Visit our showroom or online at tangokitchens.com.
The Host, Fine Indian Cuisine, delivering exciting flavors, fresh ingredients, and exceptional service is our passion with pride. We present the culinary pearls of Indian cuisine. The Host has earned the name with quality food and sincere service. The use of two important ingredients, patience and passion. The Host, Fine Indian Cuisine. You are welcome. Visit www.welcometohost.com. The Host, Fine Indian Cuisine.
If you like the taste of the tropic, there's a new drink called Sun Exotic. Sun Exotic. Sun Exotic. The fruit mix is fantastic and the taste so terrific. Sun Exotic. Sun Exotic.
From the makers of Rubicon.
आपकी भक्ति से लेकर खुशियों के जश्न तक का साथी इंडिया सजावट पूजा हट। लक्ष्मी की आराधना, हर धर्म की मूर्तियां, पाठ, पूजा सामग्री, इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स, सीडीज, धार्मिक पुस्तकें एंड पिक्चर्स खुशबू की तरह घर को सजाएं। इंडिया सजावट पूजा हट में आएं। 31 मेलनी ड्राइव, ब्रैम्पटन, 9054586808.
Do you want to promote your business products and services on Hooray Bollywood? Contact AME Telefilms at 647-669-1000 or 1-855-711-8889. You can also write to us at business@ametelefilms.com.
Welcome to our most exciting segment, Bol Bachchan. Today we have with us in studio a very special guest जो है बॉलीवुड का सबसे बड़ा फैन इन कनाडा। जी हाँ, उनसे हम करेंगे कुछ खास बातें बॉलीवुड से जुड़ी। We have with us Omar Shah. Hi Omar, welcome to Hooray Bollywood.
Thank you so much for having me. Love to be a part of your team. I watch your show all the time. It's just amazing, and it's awesome just to be on the show.
Awesome. The viewers would like to know a little bit about you.
Oh, absolutely. I'm actually in the meat business, which is kind of odd for some people. We import frozen meat from New Zealand and Australia. It's called New Shaw Impacts. And we pretty much distribute all over Canada.
That's very interesting to know.
Yeah.
And, you know, reading your emails and talking to you through Facebook, I know you're Bollywood's big fan, right?
Absolutely. I love Bollywood. I grew up watching Bollywood movies. That's pretty much our favorite pastime was that we watch movies all the time.
And since you have been watching Hooray Bollywood, you know every week we have a theme.
Yeah, absolutely.
And what do you think?
Well,
This week's
you kind of look
themes.
like a vampire, so I'm gonna assume maybe horror.
You got it.
All right.
Yes, we're talking about Bollywood's, horror movies over the last 100 years.
Yeah.
There are many, but I was just wondering, do you have any favorites?
Well, there's a lot of them, but one of them that I pretty much have watched like so many times is Darna Mana Hai.
Cool, very
Yeah.
good pick.
Yeah, I love that movie.
Wait.
It's awesome. It's just amazing.
For me, it's amazing because there's so many different stories, right? Do you have any favorites?
Actually, that's the point I like also, that there's so many stories. My favorite one is the one with the no smoking part. It's the one with Boman Irani and Saif Ali Khan, that how Saif Ali Khan goes into this resort and Boman tells him, do not smoke. And at the end, he also becomes a zombie. It was just amazing how everything came up together.
You know which one is my other favorite?
Which one?
The one with Nana Patekar.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Oh my God,
Yeah.
the climax was the best.
Yeah.
As he takes off his glasses and you realize he's
also a ghost.
Bhoot.
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah.
Any other favorites in there?
There's actually a lot of them. I like Bhool Bhulaiya. That was very good.
I like Bhool Bhulaiya. Let me come back to that because I found
Yeah.
not only was it a horror story for the horror fans,
Yeah.
but it was kind of like a psychological thriller too, right?
It tells you about reality, that a lot of it has to do with your mental thinking, that it's psychology. That's what it is.
Yes, that's interesting the way you put it. So do you think, why do you think people like to watch horror movies?
It's just a thrilling experience that you get. It's like same thing as going to a roller coaster, that you love the thrill. You go for the thrill. You know something scary is going to happen, so you go and you watch the movie.
And there's one more favorite of mine that's kind of like a psychological thriller. You know which one?
Which one?
Khan.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
The one with Urmila.
Urmila,
Yes.
that too had like a amazing climax.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, so-
especially towards the end, when she kills the inspector and
Manoj Bajpayee.
That's right. Yeah.
Did you guess through the
Amazing.
movie?
You know what? I have chills every time I think about that movie. It's just one of the scariest one that is out there.
Yeah, usually it's the subtle ones, the subtle killers. You have the old-fashioned Ramsey brother movies too, where they have the mask and they go full-on horror.
Yeah.
But the subtle ones like Khan really gives you the goosebumps.
Yeah, give me
right?
the chills. That's right.
It's been fun talking to you.
Oh, thank you so much.
I really would like to keep talking because there's so much more we can do with horror too.
That's right.
Right.
Yeah.
That was Omar, Bollywood ka sabse bada fan in Canada. And like him, if you want to be on the show with me to do some masti, write to me at amita@huraybollywood.com or like us on our Facebook page. And now it's time to announce the winners from last week's contest. The answers were: answer number 1, Om Prakash Makhija. Answer number 2, Himesh Reshamia. And the winners of last week's contest are Ashpreet Badwal from Brampton, Ontario, and Yunus Mirza from Scarborough, Ontario. Congratulations to the two of you. The Hooray Bollywood team will be in touch with you shortly. And now, this week's questions are: Question 1. फिल्म वो कौन थी में वो कौन थी, यानी हीरोइन का नाम बताइए. Question number 2. फिल्म राज में डीनो मोरिया और बिपाशा बासु छुट्टी मनाने के लिए कहाँ जाते हैं? So, if you have your answers, write to me at amita@huraybollywood.com. And remember to give me your full name, your address, and your contact details. I'm sure you enjoyed today's show. And if you want to get more details on Hooray Bollywood, then follow us on Twitter, Facebook, or on our website. Keep those lovely emails coming to me at amita@huraybollywood.com. And stay tuned into the most exciting Bollywood show, jahan hai last 100 years se leke aaj tak ki spicy gupshup. Until then, stay scared and enjoy.